What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode and part 2 of the bush hog. I got the part in the Overrun clutch, so I'm going to be putting it on today. So, essentially, what this does is hooks on here and allows the blades to keep spinning even if the tractor stops. So this one's got to come off. This one. All right, that's in there. Feels a little wobbly. I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna try to, I gotta get all this knocked down. right, so let's check out some of the spots I got done. Back here needed really bad. It was real tall back here. A lot of the sweet gums had grown up real tall back through here. So knock that back a little bit. That looks pretty good. Get that back little field back. Alright, I didn't do everything I'd like to get done bush hogging, but a couple hours on the old Ford, and I like to give her a break. So got a good amount done though. Let's go check out up here what I got done. That bush hog actually cuts pretty decent. I mean, it cuts the grass. I mean, it ain't perfect, but cut all this, got this cut down. That's where we had some potatoes and onions. And then up here, this was all really overgrown amongst all these persimmon trees. So I got it knocked back. And also came up here to this little section. Right here, got it knocked back. Needs a little further cleaning up. The trees are kind of close to each other to get the bush hog super clean cut corners on everything. But that's pretty good. I'd say that's successful day on the bush hog, getting some of this overgrown stuff cleaned up. We haven't had our lawnmower for going on 3 weeks now. It's at the shop. I had one of the deck bracket welds break or fail, so they're supposed to be fixing it. Hopefully we get it back soon. But that's gonna be it for this episode, and I appreciate y'all tuning in. See y'all on the next one.